Modern cover design, a blend of style and functionality. Modern cover design has evolved to become a crucial aspect of various industries, including publishing, packaging, and digital media. A well-designed cover can make a significant impact, capturing the attention of potential readers, consumers, or users. Modern cover design combines style and functionality, incorporating elements such as typography, imagery, and color schemes to create a visually appealing and effective design. With the rise of digital media, modern cover design has also adapted to include dynamic and interactive elements, such as animations and videos, to enhance the user experience. Key elements of modern cover design. Typography. Typography plays a crucial role in modern cover design, with designers often using bold, creative, and custom fonts to convey the message or theme of the cover. Imagery. Imagery is another essential element of modern cover design, with designers using high-quality images, illustrations, or graphics to capture the attention of the audience. Color schemes. Color schemes are carefully chosen to evoke emotions, convey meaning, and create visual appeal. Designers often use bold, bright, and contrasting colors to make the cover stand out. Benefits of modern cover design. Increased visibility. A well-designed cover can increase visibility and grab the attention of potential readers, consumers, or users. Brand identity. Modern cover design can help establish brand identity and create a consistent visual language across various platforms. Enhanced user experience. Interactive and dynamic cover designs can enhance the user experience, providing an engaging and immersive experience. Applications of modern cover design. Book covers. Modern cover design is essential for book covers, helping authors and publishers to grab the attention of readers and convey the theme or genre of the book. Packaging design. Modern cover design is also crucial for packaging design, helping brands to stand out on store shelves and convey the value and benefits of their products. Digital media. Modern cover design is used in digital media, such as app icons, social media graphics, and website headers, to create a visually appealing and engaging user experience. By incorporating modern design elements and principles, designers can create covers that are both visually appealing and effective in communicating the message or theme. Whether it's a book cover, packaging design, or digital media, modern cover design plays a crucial role in capturing the attention of the audience and conveying the brand identity.